Hey everyone, it's Gretchen here at Catnpaws. So I stopped at Hobby Lobby. If you know, I don't have one very close to me at all, but I was within a 5-mile radius, so I had to stop in. This sale actually ended Saturday the 17th, which was yesterday, but I focused on the Paper Studio and also on the Easter and of course the clearance. So let's get into it. On the Paper Studio, I found these sacks and things. So they were half off, and I got the mini paper craft bags. There are 8. Just took one out to show you what it looks like. How cute is that little bag? So I picked that up. And then also the craft large glassine bags. There are 12. And this is how they come. Figured that'd be great to put in a journal or just add, you know, some happiness in it. And then last up, I got these floral flat sacks. There are 12 in here as well. And on the back, it says there are 4 of each designs. I like how long they are. And of course, there was other varieties there, but these are the ones that caught my eye. They're nice and long, and I think they would go well in a journal. So there's one design, and oh, how pretty is that? There's the other one, and there's one more. Yeah, there's 3 designs. So, very pretty. That is what all 3 of them look like together. Gorgeous. And I don't know if you saw the measurement on those because they are pretty long. They're 9 1/4 inches long, which is very nice. Okay, so that was my 50% off Paper Studio. What else? Let me show you my Easter because I did not get much. This was 40% off, so I got some Easter confetti. You see little bunnies and eggs, flowers. And then I also picked up these zipper bags with handles. I was fortunate enough when I went last time to get the Valentine bags with the handles. So I was delighted to see these in the Easter design. There are 30. And again, they were 40% off when I was there, and this sale had ended, so I don't know what they are today, but they are quiet plastic bags, and great, I found, with the Valentine for sending Happy Mail. And that was my Easter. I pulled up a 40% off coupon, and she said, well, this is half off. I'm like, sweet. These are just mixed beads. And I'm trying to see if there's just says a super value pack. So I thought these would be cute, especially to make chunky charms or to add to a charm. And I've never seen these other places. They could be, and I just haven't paid attention, but this caught my eye. And so I grabbed it because there's all colors in there. Browns and blacks and blues and reds and pinks. So lots. So I got that. Okay, I think everything else, oh no, not quite. Coming up on the clearance. The Stickabilities, the Paper Studio. Again, half off. So I got that in like the planner section. I found those, and this was in the sticker section. I don't know if that's the same for all stores, but half off some cupcakes, some roosters, and There are 2 sheets. And that was 2 puppy dogs running by. I got some Happy Easter. I got a few of them because I want to use them for something special that's coming up on Friday. Stay tuned. And again, those are double-sided. Thanksgiving. You're like getting Thanksgiving, but I don't get to go to Hobby Lobby often. So when I do, I just grabbed, and it was half off, and so I can't run over there when it's, well, I could, but just grabbed it when I was there. And then these were in the clearance. They were 50 cents each, and they are the old-time Christmas stamps. And what's kind of funny about this, I had seen a haul on someone's channel way back in the fall, and I said, oh, I love those. I want to get some too, but I didn't know where they were at. Well, here they were with all the stickers. They weren't in the seasonal section like I thought they were. So now I know, and I'm glad I found some. I'm like, oh my gosh, 50 cents. So I got 4 packs. All right, you may remember, let me grab them. On my last trip to Hobby Lobby, I found these paper clips in the mason jar, and they have the various sizes. A large, a medium, and a small. So I got that color, and then I had got the pink and red. So I had seen the gold on another video, on several videos, and lo and behold, when I walked past, there was 1 gold left. Now this is a different store than the other one I went to. So the same thing, there's my gold paper clips. Yay, I got that collection, I think. These are the only ones I've seen, so I am loaded up on paper clips, which I use a lot of. So I got those. I got the furl on wood, long strip of paper, I suppose, 14 inches by 20 feet, so yes. So my kind of idea with this is to put down my mat. My mat's sitting over next to me, and then maybe put this underneath first and tape it down, and then put my mat on top of it just to have a backdrop, because all I have is this gray surface on this table. So that's my intentions with this right now. Okay, I wanted to show you in the party area, I found these on clearance. They were 75 cents. They are the hashtag paper clip. There are 12. They had a few other things in that party section, but I don't think I got anything else there. I found those for 50 cents, and that's for the We Are Memory Keeper staple, and it fits the mini staple that you can buy, or stapler, and it fits that one, but it also fits the board, and I think I have that. I have it right here somewhere. Okay, I don't know, but it's the one that has the 3 pieces to it, so it fits the medium, I believe, on that board, so definitely worth getting. They had some beads in clearance, so this was $2, plastic bead mix. Not a fan that it's plastic, but I like that it's silver, and again, I can use them on chunky charms or just as a charm hanging. There's an umbrella, keys, stars, long beads, an assortment in there, so I think that would look cute. And it's also lightweight. That's the whole thing when I make charms for a journal. I don't want it weighing my book down where it's going to pull at the fastener. So I try to keep at least a medium weight to it. Sometimes it can get heavy though. And I think those are plastic too. But I prefer glass beads because they're just more, I like the texture of them more, I guess. But then they get heavy. Picked up this charm. The Sun, Sand, Sea charm set. Another pack of the hashtags. Some washi tape. It says meow, and some kitties. and 2 stamps. The Retro Santa. And the special delivery from the North Pole, December Express 25. So I got those. I have a few more things to show you. Let me just put this up real quick and I will get to that. So, oh no, I had a good time. I went by myself, so I was really able to take my time and look, and I wasn't hungry like the last time I went. Last time I swooped in and swooped out, and it was a Friday, so the line wasn't really super long either, which was nice. Oh, those are so cute. All right, I'll put those behind me, and I'll show you what I got also. Okay. Got the Measure, Mix, and Stir cardstock. There are 60 sheets. Of course, there's tape. Let me pause you. Okay, I had to get all that tape off of there. So this has 3 each of 20 designs. I'll just do a quick flip through of it. Measure, Mix, and Stir. One-sided. Has some writing on there. And you may have seen this already or even flipped through it at your store, but it is definitely new to me because it's the first I've seen it. That is gorgeous. It reminds me of a tea towel. Some mixing bowls. So we have the red and the green warm wood look. Utensils and a check. Okay, that's that one. And then I also picked up Josephine's Miscellany. Again, 3 each of 20 designs. 60 sheets. So just various instruments and music notes. And last up, some music. All right, so that's that one. I picked up one of these paper kits. Wild and Free paper crafting kit. It comes with 36 pieces. You get some doilies and some stickers. I think it tells you on the back, yes. Some scrapbook pages, cardstock, vellum sticker sheet, 12 large doilies and 12 small doilies. That was one cardstock sticker sheet, I should say. So I picked that up, and I love that design. So I'm looking further around, and I come across actually the Wild and Free paper pack. And I don't think I would have got it on its own, but since it matched the kit and it was on sale for $3.75, I thought, well, I can make a matching couple journals out of it, actually. So 80 sheets, 20 designs, 4 of each. So yes, this is thinner paper. The brick. Now that I'm not fond of. Yikes. Dream catchers. Your leopard print. That gorgeous flower. I thought this would be maybe make some cute tags. And that is a peachy pink color. That's very pretty as well. I have this paper right here in a red. The Wild and Free. And some newspaper print. Your polka dots. So that was the Wild and Free. And that's it. I think that's everything I got. So good luck shopping at your Hobby Lobby. I know there's great things out there, but I think I'm probably done now. Have a great day. Thanks for hanging with me for a few minutes. Bye.